Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to automatically update your maps on Windows 11 if you've downloaded offline maps. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. You want to select Apps on the left side, and then on the right side, select Offline Maps. Now you want to select where it says Map Updates, automatically update maps when plugged in and not on a metered connection. Go ahead and expand that and make sure it's checkmarked in here. And if you want to manually perform an update check, you can select the Check Now button. And it should say hopefully you're already up to date. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.